Hello, YouTube, Facebook, Cincinnati Bike Club. This is the review of the Roadmaster. Mostly all these accessories I have on here is made by Bell. Speed thing is made by Bell. The mirror, well, that bag is actually made by Swin, but seat cover is Bell. The bag is Bell. The radiant lights back and front, they are also made by Bell. These right here, the ground effects lights, those are made by Bike Brights. Also, the wheels are too, but they light up red at night. Yeah, that's just the review of and I actually put them on there myself, just to give it the extra, you know. And one thing I like about the new seat bag by Bell, it actually, I don't know if you can see it in the daytime. I mean, it's daytime, but it lights up. I don't know if y'all can see the difference or not, but it actually lights up and it flashes. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but yeah, I liked that. I didn't actually know it did that until I got it home and I bought it. Let me give you a quick preview of, this is the bike I had for a few years now. This is the Ratliff. Had this and things to it. Has some Bell products on here as well. Actually, the mirror on that one, this is a Swin mirror. But I have the radio, the cell phone. You can play it out loud with the speaker and stuff, or you could just listen to it with your headphones. I have blue lighting system in the wheels. Once again, y'all, they make pretty good product. My father-in-law, he got the green, so we roll on in multicolor, red, blue, and green. We'll be uploading some more videos soon. Like, this is spring 2014 though. Like, so we're just really getting started. 2015, I'm sorry. But yeah, we did some stuff last year too, but yeah, we just getting started. It's springtime. This weather haven't even broke all the way yet. So we just buying stuff, and I got viewfinder, whatnots. And this is also made by Bell. So Bell been doing some nice stuff. So if you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with you in a minute.